How crazy is this? Whoa.
Elevation of the Andes, actually, it's because of the movement of the plates. Because all of these plates used to be under to the waters of the ocean. Okay? So, what happens? The Pacific plate cross with the continental plate. That high pressure, because of the plates, push the ground up. Because of that, we have the formation of the volcanoes, cordilleras, desiertos, salares.
It's a volcano.
We have volcanoes, hot springs, thermas. So guys, but in case of drought, no raining, no snowing, St. George, the water also could be decreased.
Look at this sunrise! This is so crazy. It's awesome. There's geysers everywhere. I'm actually quite warm. I've got like 50 layers on, but look, this is awesome. It's unreal. It's like stunning. How cool is that? Oh, that's nice. You like it, Hannah?
It's coming out. It's because new geysers are starting to form.
Walking on the moon. Oh, that's warm. Oh, that is warm.
Like a chronic geyser.
Oh, and the sun is so nice as well. The only part of me that's actually cold is my hands, my fingers. But it's nice in the sun. The sun's come up now, so it's so much nicer. How weird. This is all ice. That's when you know how messed up it is, because there's ice and geysers and boiling water and everything. So there was a horror story that 5 years ago a girl fell in one of these geysers and basically melted to death. We've not yet seen a geyser that is that deep that you could fall in and melt. But
Maybe they're somewhere.
maybe they are somewhere. I'm sure they're somewhere. Whoa.
You want one of those moments?
Yeah.
Go.
Back in the warmth of the car. Hopefully we're going to get breakfast now because I'm starving. But it was very
There's not, like, breakfast is supposed to be included, so if it's no, I'm going to go straight to the front desk and ask for a refund, because that's false advertising.
But it's awesome. So we're at this thermal hot pool just round the corner from the geysers. The geysers are more over there. And we can get in this. I really want to, but then I'm so scared of being cold after and delayering and everything. But this is 20 centigrade. But no one is in it. Do you want to do it? Okay. I guess we're going in. God, we're actually doing this. It's so cold.
I mean, that's not as warm as I wanted it to be.
Exactly. It's warm enough, but not as warm. Yeah, a little bit.
Oh.
Let's try that for shallow. Maybe it's a concentrated.
I don't want to. This is crazy. It's not even that warm. Was it worth it? I don't know. There it is. There's the gringo killer. How do you feel about her?
And there's the gringo.
And there's the killer. It's pretty cool. Not as big as what I thought, but yeah, I'm sure you would melt if you fell in there. Well, apparently there was avocado, but we missed that. So I've got cheese.
Ham and cheese.
Coffee that you're about to spill. And a hot chockey.
Coffee's not bad, to be fair.
Hot chockey's pretty good as well.
Do you put milk in it?
Yep. Cheers. It's good. It's an old shut down mine. And then there's a volcano over there.
So guys, I don't want to swear here, but we've just been told that because of the mines, there was one woman working in it and all men. And anyway, because of that volcano over there is called the Anna Fucker.
Active volcano.
The Anna Fucker. Her name was Anna.
I call bullshit. The guide I reckon he has a thing for Hannah, and he's like, yep, there's one lady in there called Anna, very similar to Hannah. 100 men and they all had Anna. I reckon it's a lie. Bullshit. This is llama. Oh god, I'm in the way. Look how good that looks. I'm afraid.
Yeah.
Gracias.
Yes.
So, we've just seen a llama in real life, a live one. I'm scared. Oh my god, it's really good.
Right. Kind of like pork.
I like llama. Good on you, llama. It's like dark meat. Really tasty though. I like it. So we're just gonna head back now in the bus back to the hostel, and then we're gonna chill out. He is alive. How you feeling?
Fine-ish.
Me and Hannah just got back. We're exhausted and it's bloody boiling now. We're gonna go get some lunch, some food, and then we've got another tour in about 2 hours, which is glorious, and then another full day tomorrow.
For breakfast every morning of my life.
Breakfast, chicken.
An egg. And chips. And rice.
He got spaghetti with avocado sauce and it's an absolute dollop of avocado. What did you get?
Burger. Sandwich.
Already? Oh. He's trying really hard. Man.
I'm dying. This dog is in a shop and it's just stolen a piece of meat.
Me toe. My toe.
Okay, we've just obviously eaten, you saw. Back at the hostel, chilled out for a bit, and we're off again. Alright, well we're on our second excursion. Beautiful weather, and this is the lagoon, but it's full of salt, and so you float like crazy I've done salt float things in Queenstown before, which was awesome, and it kind of gives you like a feeling of like weightlessness. So I'm super excited. It looks unreal, like it's super beautiful. This. Apparently this thing is 28 meters deep. That's mad. I don't believe it. But look at this. Excited. This is gonna be so cool.
Nothing can even live in there.
Look how much these people are floating.
Oh, backwards. Backwards.
It's so cold, it's not even cold.
Just remember you jumped in those, the blue pools. I don't think I'm gonna float. I think I'm gonna stay this low. Oh my god, let's go!
It's really relaxing, actually. You just have to go, and then just stop breathing and don't move.
What does the salt doing time look like? I can see like, I feel like I'm on the edge, like I'm just about to die.
You might be.
Okay.
Let's go.
Oh my god! It's so looks like he's convulsing.
And then you'll go.
My balls are under, so it's all fair.
Let's get closer.
Well, I'm out. It's very cold. I don't know if you can see, but I'm literally covered head to toe in salt. God, I want to get my camera out again. That's a beautiful photo. So I'm gonna go walk to the showers, but it's beautiful, absolutely beautiful. Ugh. Right, where are we at now? We are at the eyes of the lagoon. Apparently you can swim in there, but I don't know about you, but I wouldn't want to swim in that. It looks deep house, that's scary. We are at our last stop. We're at a lagoon for sunset, and you probably can't see because it's miles away, but there's a big old lagoon there, and the water is so reflective. You can see all the mountains and the volcanoes in it. But we're going on a walk again to see another lagoon that reflects the sunset, and then we have snacks and drinks, so I'm excited. Yep, it's been a great day so far.
It's just crazy because the sky is like so blue as well.
Some bottles with you.
Snacks
You're not
and drinks.
going back home.
Gracias.
Soon, so
Cheers.
Oh, that's not what I expected. Oh,
Nice.
very strong.
Go for it, guys.
Do you think I'll ruin it if I put water in it?
you don't like it that strong?
Yeah.
Mas aí você põe
Yeah, see?
Ustedes no, solo la representación. So, I'll do this on your behalf, okay? You don't do this, porque se hace así para la Pachamama. for the Pachamama, for the Mother Earth. Para los ancestros, for the ancestors. ¡Salud!
Salud! Mass pan.
Every time.
Quinoa sopa. Did you get that?
No.
Ooh. With your bread.
Just without the fish. Obviously.
Fajita. Bon appetit.